Spark channel. Today, we will talk about how to understand the attraction between a man and a woman. Attraction between a man and a woman is a deeply complex and fascinating part of human experience. It is one of the driving forces behind relationships, love, and even the continuation of the human race. Attraction is not simply about physical appearance, it also includes emotions, shared values, chemistry, body language, and social factors. While every person is different, the general principles behind attraction can be understood through a combination of biology, psychology, culture, and individual personality. In this episode, we will explore what causes men and women to be attracted to each other, how attraction works on different levels, and why it matters for human connection and relationships. 1. Biological roots of attraction. The most basic level of attraction begins in biology. Humans, like all animals, are programmed to seek out partners for reproduction. Although humans are more than just their biology, science shows that biological instincts still play a major role in attraction. Hormones and chemistry. Hormones like testosterone and estrogen influence sexual desire and attraction. Testosterone increases sex drive in both men and women, while estrogen plays a role in female fertility. When people are attracted to one another, the brain releases chemicals such as dopamine linked to pleasure, oxytocin known as the bonding hormone, and serotonin which affects mood. These chemicals create a feeling of happiness, excitement, and emotional connection when spending time with someone attractive. Reproductive fitness. Biologically, humans are drawn to signs of health and fertility. For example, men may be attracted to women with features like clear skin, shiny hair, a symmetrical face, and a certain waist-hip ratio, all of which may signal health and the ability to bear children. Women, on the other hand, may be attracted to signs of strength, confidence, and resources, which may signal protection and the ability to support a family. These tendencies are not conscious decisions, but are rooted in evolution. However, it's important to remember that attraction is much more than just reproduction. Most relationships today are based on emotional connection, not only survival or reproduction. 2. Psychological and emotional attraction. While biology explains the physical aspect of attraction, psychology explains the emotional and mental side. Many people find themselves drawn to others not because of how they look, but because of how they feel when they're with that person. Similarity and shared values. One of the strongest predictors of attraction is similarity. People are often attracted to others who share their interests, values, beliefs, and lifestyles. Similarity creates comfort, understanding, and trust. For example, two people who both love music or share the same spiritual beliefs may connect more deeply than those with very different worldviews. Personality and emotional safety. Confidence, kindness, humor, intelligence, and empathy are traits that many people find attractive. A man may be drawn to a woman who listens with care and laughs at his jokes. A woman may be attracted to a man who is emotionally stable, kind, and dependable. These emotional traits create a sense of emotional safety, which is vital for long-term relationships. Sometimes people are attracted to the opposite of what they have. For instance, someone shy may be drawn to someone outgoing and vice versa. This opposites attract dynamic can also create balance and excitement in a relationship. 3. Cultural and social influences. Attraction is also shaped by the society and culture we grow up in. The media, movies, music, family, and friends all influence our ideas about who is attractive or desirable. Beauty standards. Different cultures have different standards of beauty. What is considered attractive in one country may not be the same in another. For example, body shape, language, clothing style, facial features, skin tone, or hairstyle preferences can vary widely across cultures and change over time. These standards influence what men and women look for in a partner. Social norms and roles. In many societies, traditional gender roles still influence attraction. Some men may feel attracted to women who are caring or nurturing, while some women may seek men who are strong or protective. However, these roles are changing. In modern times, many people are drawn to partners who are equals, who share responsibilities, goals, love, and communicate openly. Media influence. Movies, books, and social media often show idealized versions of love and beauty. These images can influence what people think they want in a partner, though real-life attraction is usually more about connection than perfection. 4. Nonverbal communication and body language. Attraction is often communicated without words. Body language can express interest, comfort, excitement, and desire. Eye contact, holding someone's gaze, can create a powerful emotional connection. Smiling and laughing shows enjoyment and comfort. Mirroring, people who are attracted to each other often copy each other's movements without realizing it. Touch, light, respectful physical contact can build intimacy and closeness. Even a person's tone of voice or scent, due to natural pheromones, can increase attraction on a subconscious level. 5. Emotional connection and long-term attraction. While physical and emotional attraction often begin quickly, long-term attraction grows through shared experiences, trust, and vulnerability. A man and woman who can communicate openly, solve problems together, understand and support each other during challenges will often develop a deeper, lasting bond for a lasting marriage. True attraction grows when both partners feel seen, understood, and accepted for who they are. This is why kindness, patience, and communication are often considered more attractive in the long run than looks alone. 6. Why attraction matters. Attraction plays a central role in forming romantic relationships, but it's more than just excitement or desire. Attraction between a man and a woman helps build love, partnership, family, and emotional well-being. People often feel happier and more motivated when they are in a healthy relationship. Strong attraction can bring people together, but shared values, communication, patience, genuine love, and respect keep them together. Remember, the attraction between a man and a woman is a rich and multi-layered experience. It starts with biology and chemistry but grows through emotional connection, shared experiences, and mutual respect. While physical features and personality traits may spark initial interest, true attraction deepens when people connect on a mental and emotional level. Influenced by culture, society, and personal values, attraction is both universal and unique to each individual. Understanding how attraction works can help people build healthier, more fulfilling relationships that go beyond surface-level attraction and lead to genuine love and companionship. Thank you for visiting our channel. CurioSpark wishes you the best.